Good morning all. In my previous video I discussed about I explained how to solve the page replacement algorithm using LRU method. In that at the end I forgot to mention the advantages and disadvantages of LRU page replacement algorithm. In the LRU page replacement algorithm, the advantages are it is quite good algorithm compared to your FIFO, and it is amenable to full statistical analysis. It never suffers from Billet's anomaly. What happens even whenever you increase the page frame size, it never decrease the total page hit value, or it never increase the page faults value. That is called as Billet's anomaly. Your LRU page replacement algorithm never suffers from the Billet's anomaly. And the disadvantage in your LRU page replacement algorithm is problem is how to implement. And next disadvantage is it requires hardware assistance. These are the two disadvantages in our LRU method. Now let's move on to the next page replacement algorithm method, that is optimal page replacement. Already you learned about two page replacement algorithm methods. One is FIFO, first in first half, and next one is LRU method, least recently used page replacement method. And now the last method is optimal page replacement. Let's see how to solve the problem using optimal page replacement algorithm. In this optimal page replacement algorithm, I am considering the same example. What you will do in this optimal page replacement, what is the difference between LRU and optimal page replacement algorithm is, in the LRU, what you are going to do, whenever the page is existing in the frame, by that time if it is arrived once again, by that time you are going to restart the count of that page from that particular point. But what you will do in the page optimal page replacement algorithm is, if the exist, even though it is having the high oldest, it is considered as a oldest page replacement algorithm, I mean oldest page, even though it is, but you are going to check whether it is using in the further, whether you are using that in the further or in the reference string again. If it is existing, or again if it is arriving, means you will keep that as it is based on the priority, or based on the arrival of that page frame, of that page number. So let's solve the problem. You will be more clear about the how to solve using optimal page replacement algorithm. I am considering the same example as I considered for your FIFO and LRU. Here the optimal page in the optimal page replacement algorithm, you will be allocating the pages as it is. First three will be allocated for three different page frames. From the next one you need to consider which page you need to get replaced. Here 4 is the new page arrived, so you need to replace from the oldest page. Here 1 is the oldest page, and also it is not going to repeat in a recently. Here you will be having a page frame value as 3, so you need to consider next 3 values, whether in next 3 values one is getting repeated or not. If it is not repeated, even it is also a oldest page, replace that particular page. So 1 is get replaced by 4, keep other values as it is. Next is 2. Here 2 is already existing in the page frame, so you are not going to replace anything, keep as it is, and this is your page 1. Next is 5. Here you need to replace the page which is the oldest one. Here 2 is the oldest one, check for next 3 values. In the next 3 values you are not getting 2. After 3 values you will be having a page value 2, but you need to check when the page frame is 3, you need to check for next 3 values itself. So 2 is not repeated for the next 3 values, so you will be replacing the page 2 by 5. Next, 3 is already present in the 3 is already existing in the page frame, so keep as it is. This is page 2. Next is 4. 4 is already present in the exist in the page frame, so keep as it is. This is page 3. Next is 2. Now you need to replace the page frame. Now you need to replace the oldest one. Before that, you need to check whether already existing here 453 or the existing page frame or existing page number. You need to check for next 3 values whether it is whether the existing page number is repeating in the for next 3 values or in the next 3 arrival. If it is not, based on the oldest page, you can replace the value. Here 3 is the oldest page, so you are replacing the page 3 by 2. Keep other values as it is. Next is 6. 6 is also none of 4, 5, 2. None of is repeating in for next 3 arrival of page. So replace based on the oldest page. Here 4 is the oldest page. Replace 4 by 6. 4, 5, 2. Now 7. 7 is also new page and none of 6, 5, 2. None of is repeating for the next 3 pages. So replace based on the oldest page. Here 5 is the oldest page. Replace 5 by 7. Next is 8. 8 is also a new page and here 6 and 2. You need to check for 6 and 2 because 7 is now arrived. So you need not to check. Oldest page is 2. Check for 2 for next 3 instance. It is not repeating. So replace 2 by 8. Here 7 is already existing in the page frame. So you will be keeping the value as it is. This is your page 4. Next 9. Here you need to check. It doesn't make any matter because 6 is the oldest page and 6 is not repeating for the next 3 values. So replace 6 by 9. Next is 7. 7 is already existing in the page frame. Mark it as a page 5. Next is 8. 8 is also already present in the page frame. Keep as it is. Hit 6. Next is 2. For the next 2 instance, check that whether any of the value is if any 9, 7, 8, any of the value is repeating. If it is not repeating, replace the oldest page. Here the 7 is the oldest page, so replace 7 by 2. Keep other values as it is. Now next page is 5. It is a new arrived page. It is also not existing in the frame, so replace by the oldest page. Here the oldest page is 8. Replace 8 by 5. And it is 8 is not repeating for the next 3 values, so you can replace 8 by 5. Keep other values as it is. Next is 4. Here when you want to replace the page number 4, you need to check for the oldest one. Here compared to 9 to 5, the oldest page is 9. But that 9 is arriving for the next instance. So don't replace 9 by 4. You just check for next option. Next oldest page is 2. So replace 2 by 4. Keep 9 as it is. And next arriving page is 9. So you can it is already existing in the frame. Keep as it is. This is your next hit. So total number of hits is 7 as you specified in the last row, and total number of page faults is 20 minus 7, 30. This is how you will be performing for optimal page replacement when the page frame size is 3. What is the difference? Whenever you will be keep on for the next 3 values, you will be keeping that, you are not replacing that value, means the total number of page it value will get increased. That is why it is called it as optimal page replacement.